Start our video tour on the starboard side. Very, very clean. See the tunnels. Engine. It's a bit like the Grand Canyon. It's hard to get in still pictures, so
yeah,
I think a movie is maybe a better way to go. Everything's showroom condition, I would say. Starboard engine. Let's start our tour of the interior of this boat. As you can see, it's got going forward now to the V-berth. Got blue lighting. Beautiful, beautiful job of the upholstery. Squeaky, sparkling clean. Then looking backwards at the starboard settee. Mirror over. Enclosed head behind that. Then along the port side, you'll see another settee. And coming back, you'll see a sink. And a storage compartment underneath. LED blues. And a fridge. Once again, does not look like it's ever been used. And then on the starboard side is a fully enclosed head. Storage. Mirror, lights everywhere. Kind of a hanging locker here. If you didn't know the age of this boat, you wouldn't be able to guess. It's pretty much brand new. Carpet, overhead hatch. The
Looking down at the bow. Here's a little video clip of the things on the bow here. Walking back, opening hatch. The bench seat is where the Perco switches live. Life jackets, boat hooks, what have you. That just slips back into place very easily.